Suppose you have a wound, an open gash on your arm. This is a metaphor. Your wound is your chronic pain. So you think to yourself, I'm gonna go to my chiropractor down the street because I believe that what he will leave me with is a stitched up wound that I don't have to worry about getting infected and staying open. So you go and you spend $20 copay on 30 visits, and 30 visits in, 2 weeks after the visit, the wound is still open. You had 48 hours of relief, 48 hours of closure of the wound, and the stitches fell out and the pain was still there. You spent $600 out of pocket and you're still left with this thing. Now you think to yourself, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna try my local physical therapist. So you spend $50 on 12 treatments. Same thing, you get about 48 hours of relief, the wound is closed, but the stitches fall out on day 3. And then 12 visits later, you're out another $600. That's $1,200 to get, again, left, and your wound is still open. Then you think to yourself, I wonder if my medical doctor can fix this with cortisone shots. So you go and you get a cortisone shot at however much that costs, $100. And they inject cortisone into your wound, and you feel great for a month, 2 months, but then the stitches fall out again. And you're still left with this wound. That's another $1,300. My question for you, however long you've had pain, maybe it's been 1 year, maybe it's been 5 years, maybe you've seen 3 doctors, maybe you've seen 5 therapists, maybe you've seen 10 doctors. We've had patients see as many as 20 doctors still with an open wound, still with their chronic pain. No matter how many doctors you've seen or how long you've had pain, how many doctors or therapists more do you have to see before you come and see if adhesion is causing your chronic pain? The thing about most people's chronic pain, the most common cause of their chronic pain is adhesion. It's glue in your muscle tissue. Here at Barefoot Rehab, we're the only clinic in New Jersey specializing in finding and fixing adhesion, the most common cause of chronic pain that almost no other doctors are talking about. So this metaphorical wound that is your chronic pain, we only see people with chronic pain, and if you decide to come see us, chances are we're gonna be able to stitch this up for you and it's gonna be permanently better. At Barefoot Rehab, we have a 5-visit rule. That 5-visit rule dictates that in 5 visits or less, often after the first visit, you will have some level of permanent relief. Even after 3 days, even after a week, you will be able to metaphorically see this wound close. So if you've been going from doctor to doctor to doctor to therapist to therapist to therapist, and this wound is still open, consider giving us a call at Barefoot Rehab. We will see if you're a candidate for our permanent relief. We can stitch this right up, and we will leave you healthier and more pain-free than you've been in a really long time. I'm Dr. Chris with Barefoot Rehab in Denville, New Jersey. Have a great day.